some can of Ackees that we made. I actually used some of the codfish. I actually shredded the codfish after it was boiled in some water for about little over 5 minutes, and it soaked overnight in some water. So make sure you shred it and all the bones. Cut up some onions, green onions, and also some habanero hot pepper, along with you know, some thyme as well. So yeah, here is some of the thyme that was just kind of cut up, so you can see that there's thyme in here as well. Now I'm going to now I have the Ackee right here. This Ackee was boiled for a few minutes. When it reaches a boiling point, just take it out and make sure you strain off the water. So there you go. Now I'm gonna put it in a pot with some, at least maybe 2 heaping spoons of oil. I'm gonna put some of this Sazon seasoning in there, also some oregano leaves, some black pepper right here, and have a little bit of whole allspice that I actually blended. And I can actually show you what I did. But yeah, this is what I have, and I'm going to make it right now. Okay, so the pot should be hot right now. I'm gonna add some onions. Let's just focus on this. I'm gonna add some onions, green onions, thyme. Add everything there. Add it all. We're gonna mix it all in. And I'm gonna add some of the codfish right now. I'm gonna add that as well. Just a little bit more of this oil. But I'm gonna add and just mix it around. Just gonna put this pot on high fire. Now I'm gonna just wait till a lot of these onions, they become translucent, but I'm gonna add this right here. I'm gonna add some garlic paste, a good tablespoon of garlic paste. I'm gonna add it's almost like a tablespoon of oregano. I'm gonna also add 2 packets of this Sazon seasoning. Make sure you get the white cover one. I'm gonna add some black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper. And then I'm gonna also add some Maggi cubes. Gonna mix this in. We're gonna actually add some of this fish now. We're gonna add it. We're gonna also fry all of this. I'm gonna add everything in there. We're gonna mix it in. I'm gonna add, and I'm not measuring with a spoon, so, but this is gonna be a teaspoon of allspice. And we're gonna add three of these Maggi cubes. Gotta break it up. 1. By the way, the codfish was like 1 whole codfish. That's why it's quite a lot. But let's do that. some hot pepper was actually cut up in here as well. I need some more fire on the stove, so I'm gonna switch. Just move the camera a little. I just need more heat on this, more fire. What I need to do here. Add another Maggi cube. Just crush it. And I'm gonna mix it. I'm not gonna put the ackee in there yet because I wanna make sure that this fish is cooked. So this is gonna be for the next few minutes. I'm gonna just kind of mix it in. Okay, I'm just gonna hold. Now it's better. Now it's better. Make sure you remove all the bones from this codfish. Shred it, remove all the bones. And see something here. Didn't get me at my fork. May have not. I think I got all of them. But that should do it. Is that a bone? I don't even know if that is. I thought I removed all of them. But yeah, almost there, almost there. Just trying to make sure I mix it all in. Okay, just fold that. I'm gonna just see if I could put a little bit. I'm gonna look for a little bit more allspice, half a teaspoon. Put half of this. Okay. I'm gonna turn it on to medium fire. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add this ackee. This is about 3 cans of ackee right here. 3 of them. 3 of them. All right. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to add some black pepper here. This is about half a teaspoon of black pepper. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix this in. Hold it. Don't mash up this ackee. Just hold it. Just fold it. Just hold it. Some of it is actually spilling out of the pot, but that's totally okay. I didn't put a lot of oil because usually with this thing, but the minute you can mix this ackee in, and you could just fold it in, my advice is gonna just get a chance to see. I like to actually, allspice is one of the main ingredients for this thing. For me, I like the flavor of all spice, so I'm gonna put just a little over 1/4 of a teaspoon. That's it. and just mix it, hold it in. And I think we're almost done. I just want to just try it and see how this thing comes out. It's pretty good. Oh yeah, it is really good. And there you go. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. Done. Don't need to add anything else. I'm gonna cover this pot and let it cook. So give me one quick minute. And there you go. That's one. That is the Ackee. I'm gonna share it out so you can see what it looks like. So we're going to pause.
Now.
Give me. So this is the final product of the Ackee. Here you have some yellow yam, green plantain, sweet potato, green banana, and the Ackee is right in the middle. So yeah, you can add other provisions to this. You can also add some boiled dumpling or fried dumplings to eat with it. But yeah, this is your final product for the Ackee. Now, what I'm gonna do also is I'm gonna make some kale with some of these peppers on the side. You have orange pepper, you have yellow, red, thyme, and also some hot pepper right here. I'm gonna add it to 2 chopped up fresh kale, and I'm also going to fry it in some of this. This is a tablespoon. I also put a tablespoon of Maggi cube with green onion, and that's also gonna fry in the mix. I'm gonna also add some garlic paste. So that's it. But this is the final product right here with the Ackee. Hope you enjoy it. You can always add a little bit more allspice. It will bring up the flavor. But for me, the allspice is the main, whole allspices, ground allspice is the main ingredient for this. All right, let me know what you think. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for any future videos, Jamaican authentic dishes, you can also reach out to me if you have any questions with these meals. But usually when I make this, it's all gone in the same day. So hope you enjoy it.